Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, we have myths and facts. You know what are myths? Can anybody say what is a myth? MYTH. What is a myth? Yes, myth is nothing. That's our belief. Okay, what actually we believe, but actually it's not the thing. For example, here we have a myth that burn heals better if you apply oil on them. So if you have got a burn, okay, so we used to put, your mama used to put oil in it, okay, right? But actually it's wrong. Real fact is we should or you should apply something cold to the bun. Oil makes a film on your skin that keeps heat inside. Okay, we always believe what actually we believe are myths. We believe that if we had got burnt, we can put oil in it and it will be okay. But actually, the real fact is we should put something cold. Right? Yes. And we have another myth with a fact. Another myth is, yes, ma'am. See, we always say, na, brush your teeth, and it should be very shiny as white. Okay, healthy teeth should be perfectly white. No, we always believe that if our teeth are full white, no, it's healthy. But no, actually, the real fact is the tooth's natural color is slightly yellowish. You know, our teeth, like our tooths are like slightly yellowish. Real fact is it's yellowish in color, slightly yellowish, and it should not be fully white, perfectly white. That's a belief. What we actually think it feels right, but actually it's not right. The real fact is the tooth's natural color is slightly yellowish. Okay, right? So two facts we came to know. If you have got burnt, you should always go for a cold thing. Okay, we should put ice in it, not oil. And the second thing is our teeth should not be perfectly white. It should be slightly yellowish. Okay, if your mama asks, now you tell this to your friends also. Okay, so we learned about facts and myths. Okay, now we are going to have last class. We have gone through 3 Roman letters, right? We have finished 3 Roman letters. Now we are going to have the 4th Roman letter. What is the chapter's name? Lesson name? Lesson number 3, a chair for my mother. So we have gone through the story, right? And we have gone through 3 Roman letters too. So a chair for my mother. Okay. Let's start it. Let's get started, okay? Nachi ma'am, next slide please. Yes. So you have to write in a new page, okay? Each Roman letter you have to write in a new page. Right? So this is the 4th Roman letter. Give one word for. Okay, we have to give one word for the sentence. Give one word for. Uncomfortable. Yes? Yes. Tell me, Mitra.
Give one word, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Give one word.
Okay, ma'am.
Give
Thank you,
one
ma'am.
word for. No need to write, dear. We will give all the notes. Okay, you have to listen to me now. Right? Okay. Chalo. Uncomfortable. What do you mean by uncomfortable? Ma'am, I'm very uncomfortable. When you say this, when you want to go to restroom, when you feel like vomiting, right? When you are sitting in a chair and it's not actually, you cannot sit it properly, right? So uncomfortable means uneasy. Okay, uncomfortable means uneasy.
I see.
Okay, uneasy. 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 Okay. Second one, a purse to keep money. A purse to keep money. Where do you keep your money? Okay, where your mama used to keep money? In purse, right? You have seen a purse. And all of you have done wallet also, right? A small purse you have done, right? For activity. Yes, that is the thing. A purse to keep money. A small purse to keep money. What is that called? A wallet. 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 A purse to keep money. Wallet. Right? Third one. To give something and receive something in return. To give something and receive something in return. So, I'll tell you something different today. In olden days, we have a system called barter system. You know about barter system? Yes? No. So let me tell you, barter system is nothing. You will be giving whatever you are having. For example, let Mitra and myself, okay, I have lot of rice and Mitra have lot of fruits. So Mitra will give me fruits and in return, I will give rice to her. Okay, this is exchange of food items. So Mitra is having lots of fruits that she cannot eat and I have lots of rice that I cannot eat. So what I will do, I will give half of my rice in exchange of the fruits. In olden days, we don't have money. Okay, we don't have coins, we don't have money, we don't have currencies, notes. Okay, olden days, we used to exchange our things and we used to leave. Similarly, to give something and receive something in return. So in the story, what we have seen, so they have collected all the coins, they went to bank, they gave the coins and in exchange they got note. Right? Similarly, it's an exchange. So to give something and receive something in return is known as exchange. Okay. To give something and receive something in return is exchange. Okay. You will give something and in return you will get something else. That is called exchange. Okay. And I taught you about the barter system. Okay, it's a very simple one. You give something, for example, Mitra or I'll tell another name. Okay, Nachi ma'am is having lots of chocolates and I'm having lots of pencil. So Nachi ma'am, what she will do? She will give me 2 to 3 chocolates, then I'll give 1 pencil to her. Right? It's an exchange. So the meaning is to give something and receive something in return. That is called exchange. Yes. Okay. So uncomfortable. First word uncomfortable means uneasy. Second one, a purse. To keep money. That is called wallet. Third one, to give something and receive something in return is exchange. Okay. So all can remember, right? Yes, it's exchange. Correct. Okay, Nachi ma'am, shall we go for the next Roman letter? Yes.
Yes.
So, yes, thank you ma'am. So fifth Roman letter, complete the sentence. Okay, fifth Roman letter is complete the sentence. In this also you have to write in a new page. Okay. Okay, first one, Radha's mother works at the dash. Can anyone say in the chat box? Radha's mother worked at the Royal Restaurant, right? Radha's mother, where she used to work? Radha's mother works at the Royal Restaurant, right? If the restaurant name is Royal, right? Royal Restaurant. R-O-Y-A-L, Royal Restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurant, right? That the Nachi ma'am has said so nicely how to say restaurant, right? How to write. Okay. Second one. My cousin brought me her dash. My cousin brought me her own stuffed bear. Okay, you have teddy bears, right? So Radha's cousin brought her a stuffed bear, right? So my cousin brought me her own stuffed bear. Okay. Third one. Be exchange the coins for note at the bank. Okay, we exchange the coins for notes dash at the bank. Okay, so where they exchange the coin, we exchange the coins for notes at the bank. Yes, Raghavarshini, it's Royal Restaurant. Yes, so Radha's mother works at the Royal Restaurant. My cousin brought me her own stuffed bear. Third one, we exchanged the coins for notes at the bank. Okay. So where they exchange the coin? At bank. Okay. Okay. We have completed the, yes. Yes, Amrishta, it's the bank. Complete the sentence we have done. So we'll go for the next one. Okay. Next Rema letter is answer the following. Okay. So all are ready? And this also we have to write it in a new page. Okay. Answer the following. First question. Why did the family put coins into a jar? Why did the family put coins into a jar? Can anyone say? Why they were putting the coins into the jar? What they were doing? They were saving something, right? They're saving the coins. Yes? Yes. Yes, Anjana? The family put, yes, to save the coins, Sudisha, correct. The family put coins into a jar to buy a new chair. So they want to buy a new chair, right? For that they were saving the money. Why did the family put coins into a jar? The family put coins into a jar to buy a new chair. They wanted a new chair, right? A nice with velvet color, with full of flowers. They want a beautiful chair, right? So they were saving money. Okay. So the family puts coin into a jar to buy a new chair. Yes. Yanini, please mute yourself here. Yes, very good here. Yes. Okay. Second question. What kind of chair did the family wants to buy? What kind of chair did the family wants to buy? Can anyone say? They wanted to buy a, yes? They wanted to buy a new chair, yes? Beautiful soft chair covered in velvet and roses all over it. They wanted to buy a new chair, which is very beautiful, soft chair covered in velvet with roses all over it. So how they wanted? They wanted a big chair, which is very beautiful, very soft, and it is covered in velvet with roses. Okay, see, imagine how beautiful it might be looking. Yes, you can do one chair for your toys also. A beautiful, soft, big chair with velvets. Okay, they wanted to buy a, next page, ma'am. They wanted to buy a big, beautiful, soft, big chair covered in velvet with roses all over it. Okay, all of roses, huh? And that's a velvet. It will be very beautiful. Right? Okay, third question. Who feels uneasy to sit on the wooden chair? Who feels uneasy to sit on a wooden chair? Can anyone say? Who was uneasy? Who don't feel to sit in that wooden chair? Radha's grandmother feels uneasy to sit on a wooden chair. Okay. Radha's grandmother was old, na? Right? Radha's grandmother was old and for that she cannot sit in that wooden chair. Right? It was paining for her. She was not comfortable sitting on that wooden chair. Right?
Ma'am, someone
Not-
sharing screen.
Yes, dear. Thank you. Yes, somebody is scaring. Loshini, I believe. Loshini, please mute yourself.
Someone sharing.
Yes, dear. Someone is Loshini only. Loshini, mute yourself. We see Loshini's screen. Everyone can see the screen now? Nachi ma'am screen? Yes, very good. So, who feels uneasy to sit on the wooden chair? Radha's grandmother feels uneasy to sit on a wooden chair. Okay, yes, Udisha, grandma, yes. Radha's grandmother. Okay. Okay, we have gone through 3 questions. Okay, let's go for the first again. Yes. So what is the first question? Why did the family put coins into a jar? The family put coins into a jar to buy a new chair. Right? They were collecting money to buy a new chair. Second question. What kind of chair did the family want to buy? What kind of chair did the family want to buy? They wanted to buy a next premium beautiful soft chair covered in velvet with roses all over it. Okay, they want to buy a beautiful soft chair covered in velvet with roses all over it. Okay, third question. Who feels uneasy to sit on the wooden chair? Who feels uneasy to sit on the wooden chair? Radha's grandmother feels uneasy to sit on a wooden chair. Okay, it was Radha's grandmother who was not comfortable, okay, or feeling uneasy, right? Okay, ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Yes, so we have completed till 6th Roman letter, right? Now last one is tenses. Okay, we know about tense, right? We know about present tense, past tense. Every class we used to, first standard also we did, right? And what is present tense and what is past tense? Past tense is which has already gone, right? Finished or done, already gone. Present is now, what we are doing now, right? So let's go for present tense and past tense. First one, believe. Believe. I believe in you. I can believe. Okay, I believe that you all will be very good today. Okay. I believe. ED. We will add ED to believe for past tense. Already I believed you. I believed you. You all are so good. Right? Believe. Believed. 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 Only ED we have to add for past tense. Second one is pain. Yes, believe, believe. Second one is pain. Okay, pain. Okay, I am painting my walls. Ranjana ma'am is painting her walls today. Okay. And if I, yes, painted, painted. I have already painted my house. So,
Ranju ma'am.
hello?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, no, she is muting me. Okay, ma'am. Girija, ma'am, please don't mute me. Okay. Painted. Okay. I'm painting my words now. So today I'm painting. So it's present tense. Paint. I have already painted my house. It's painted. Okay. Already I have done. Painted. Okay. Painted. Then comes feel. Yes, yesterday I painted. That is past. Right. Very good. Then comes feel. Felt. So I feel uneasy now See, I'm not well. We say, right? Feel. I'm feeling uneasy now. Felt. I felt very bad yesterday. Because you scolded me, na, I felt very bad. So it is past. Feel, felt. Feel, felt. Yes. Then comes fourth one. Buy, B-U-Y, buy. I'm going to buy some mangoes now. So buy, bought. I have already bought apples yesterday. I bought apple yesterday, okay? So buy, bought. What is the past tense of buy? Bought. Buy, bought. And fifth one is put. Put can be as present as well as past. Okay? Put. So, believe, believed, paint, painted, feel, felt, buy, bought, put. So, put will be in present tense as well as past tense. Okay, who bought chocolates? I didn't see the message. Okay, you bought chocolates. Okay, fine. So today we have learned more 4 Roman letters and you have to write in your classwork note and we will send you the notes. Okay? What we have learned today, give one word, complete the sentence, answer the following and tenses, right? So all are going to write today one Roman letter, one day, right? And have a practice of it. Okay? Okay. So now, and you know, Nachi ma'am is going to tell you some beautiful story. Just listen to Nachi ma'am what she's going to. Okay? Yes.
Thank you, Ranju ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Good Day, children. Happy morning. And you know that we have celebrated a paper bag day yesterday, isn't it? 12th July of 2020 and 12th July of every year we are celebrating as a paper bag day. You know it already, right? Everyone has made a paper bag and posted in your class group, isn't it? Yes, super good. And you know how paper is made? Do you all know how paper is made? You have any idea on that? Yes?
Ma'am, you will. Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I have one doubt. We will.
What, dear?
What you like? அது செஞ்சுக்கலாமா யாருக்கு என்ன பிடிக்குமோ அது செஞ்சுக்கலாமா நம்ம
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. But you have to use paper. Okay.
I like chip. Ma'am, I like chip. I did that.
Okay, dear. So, okay, go on mute everyone.
Like we can do that, ma'am.
Sloshini,
Okay, dear, you can do that.
Let Nachi ma'am tell you some story. She's going to tell you one nice story. So if you are disturbing her, you cannot listen to the story. And whatever you like, you do. No problem.
I like both.
Okay, you do both. Yes, Nachi ma'am. Now you mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Okay.
Yes. Nachi ma'am, please start. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Yes, so in today's session, we are going to see how paper is made. We are all using papers, right? You are writing in the notebooks, you are reading in a textbook. So how these papers are made? Do you want to know that? Yes? Yes, we will see that. How paper is made. Can you see the picture now? So the paper is made from trees. See? Most of you don't know that. This, right? So paper is made from trees. So I'm going to tell you how paper is made from trees. Okay, children? Yes, good. See, with the help of this cutting machine, tree cutter machine, first step is they are cutting the trees. It's very bad, right? So sad if you're cutting the trees, isn't it? But what to do? We have to get paper, right? Yes, so that we are cutting the trees with the cutting machine. And see, it fell down, and after that what happens, we'll see one by one. Okay, so we are using papers from the trees. We are getting papers from the trees. So we have to use the papers wisely, isn't it? So don't waste the paper. Okay. See, once the trees are cut, the trees are brought to a factory. Once the trees are cut, the trees are brought to a factory. See, it is a factory setup. Okay, so with the help of this holder machine, the trees are brought to a factory, and after that, the bark is removed. So the outer cover of the wood is removed, and it will be like this. The bark is removed, and what happened next? They are cut into small wooden chips. They are all cut into small wooden chips. So once the bark is removed, it is cut into small wooden chips. Okay, then what happens? See, with the help of this, they are cutting into small wooden. You can see this picture, right? Small wooden chips are flown from that, right? Yes. So after that, the wooden chips are mixed with water and cooked into a paste. Once we collected all the small wooden chips in this basket, they will be mixing some water and it cooked into a paste. So what happened if wooden chips mixed with water? We'll see. It cooked and it gets a paste. So like this, it comes out from the basket. See? The wooden chips mixed with water and becomes like a paste like this. And after that, the paste is bleached with chemicals. What is bleached? Bleach means what's the color of the paper? It is white, right? But we are taking the paper, getting the papers from the wood, right? So color will be differs, right? So the brown color will change to white color. That is bleaching. The brown color of the wood changes to white color. That process with the chemicals, by adding some chemicals. So that is bleaching. So from brown, it changes to white. So the color of the paper is white, isn't it? So the paste is bleached with other chemicals and it becomes white color. Okay. Then after that, what will happen? The paste, that white paste is become flattened. So we are getting the flattened straight paper, right? Ma'am, someone is unmuting, ma'am. Yes, thank you, ma'am. So the paste is flattened and all the water is squeezed out. So all the water will mix with water, right? So all the water will be squeezed out. It will get out from that. Okay. And next we get a flattened paste. See? Flattened, straight one, like the paper we are getting, right? So the flattened paste is dried out. So once the water is squeezed from the paper, then it is dried out and it becomes paper. Okay. Then what happened? Then the strips of paper are cut into smaller sheets. We are getting in small sheets, right? Yes. So for A4 sheets, like that, we are getting a small sheet, a big sheet, right? So like that, according to the shape, they cut into small sheets. Okay. Then, wait, but paper can also be recycled to make more paper. So what? So we can also use the unused paper. You have, see, instead of using wood chips, you can use the paper again to make a paper. Okay, children. So you should not waste the papers. You should not tear the papers. You should not put it in the dustbin like that. So you have to make if you are collecting newspapers, if you are having newspapers, you have to keep it very safe. Okay, so that you can recycle the papers also. Okay, children. So see here. So instead of wood chips, you can also use the paper to get a new paper. Old paper to new paper. Like this. See? Here one bundle of so many papers here. See, bundle of papers is here. Again, it is cutting into smaller pieces and mixed with water, and it is again the process started and it becomes a paste. Okay, children. So now you have known this, right? How paper is made. So from the trees we are getting the paper. So it's getting into the factory and the bark is removed and the wooden part is cutting into small pieces. Yes, and then it is mixed with water and it is cooked into a paste like this. See how the paste is flowing. It's flown into this bleaching. Next is bleaching. We are mixing some chemicals and it has become white color, from brown color to white color, and it is making a shape. We are giving a shape to the paper by flattening. We are giving the shape, a flattened shape to the paper by squeezing all the water, by get rid of all the water, and it becomes a paper, right? Once it dried, it becomes paper. And we are cutting the paper into stripes, smaller sheets. Whatever length we need, we can cut into smaller sheets. Okay. Then we can also use the used papers also instead of wooden chips. So if you want to get paper, not only we can add wooden chips, but also we can use the old papers also. So like this. So instead of using wooden chips, the old papers can be recycled to new paper. Okay, children? Yes. See. So if you are recycling the old papers, what will happen? We will be cutting less trees, right? Yes. So we'll be cutting less amount of trees. So we'll save the energy, right? We'll save the energy of trees. We'll save the energy, the process, the whole process is there. So many processes there, right? So we'll save all this. Okay. So you should, and it also helpful for reducing the amount of pollution in the air. So instead of plastic, we are using papers nowadays. So nowadays you could see, right? All things are getting from papers, right? Yes, you couldn't find any plastic covers. No one will buy plastic cover. No one will sell plastic covers. You know that, right? Yes. So plastic is biodegradable. It's not good for health. It's not good for our soil. So we are using, instead of plastic, we are using papers. Even though we are using papers, you should not be...
Soil means what, ma'am?
Soil. Mannu. Soil. Right? Yes.
And plastic is non-biodegradable.
Yes, dear. So it is non-biodegradable, right? So it will not go inside the soil. It will be on the surface itself. Okay, so it is not good for health. Good for soil. So we are using, instead of that, we are using papers. So though you are using papers, we have to use it safely. You have to use it wisely. You should not waste the paper. You should not tear the papers. If you are drawing, you should not draw the tear the paper and draw. Instead of that, in the note itself, you have to draw. So don't tear the papers like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, children. So we have learned this, right? So how papers are made, isn't it? So yes, dear.
Nachi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ranju ma'am, can we ask the children to show their show the paper bags?
Ma'am, I'll tell you something. I'm going to show them something. Can I share something?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, children, I'm going to tell you something. Little with a twist, okay? So I'm going to tell you something. Just see the slide, what I'm showing.
The paper bag.
You want to show the paper bag? Yes, I'm going to see your paper bag. And now I'm going to tell you something. Okay, I'm going to tell you something else too.
I don't have paper
So
bag.
yesterday what we did? Okay, dear, no issues. See, yesterday.
Now what are you doing?
Okay, dear, please mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. I will be seeing everybody's, okay? So yesterday we had paper bag day, right? July 12th. And we used to celebrate all around the globe. You know, this day we celebrate all over the world. And why, why we don't use plastics? And nowadays you can see we use lots of paper bags. If we go to any shop, they are saying no, we don't have plastic bags to give you. that carry bag. So all should bring your own bags and all, right? See how you can see my screen. So beautiful paper bags are there. So everywhere you go, you will find paper bags. And paper bags are made of natural and biodegradable materials that are recyclable and can be reused. See how Nachi ma'am has explained you how the newspaper that has already been used, again they are being used, recycled and reused. Right? And because of why we celebrate this day, you know, we celebrate this day to spread awareness about the need for the uses of paper bags. To use paper bags. Normally, we will go for carry bag, plastic carry bag. No. Nowadays, if you go to any shopping mall, anywhere, they will only give you paper bags. And it's always advisable to have a paper bag rather than a plastic bag. Right? Say no to plastic. See how the earth is saying, so say no to plastic. Why, you know? Because plastic takes very long days, very years, but it will not decompose. Whereas paper bag will decompose very fast. And we can reuse also it. Right? The day aims to spread awareness.
How to do paper bag?
So you can do this paper bag, huh? What I'm showing you, reduce, reuse and recycle. You can do a paper bag and show us. You can hear my voice?
Ma'am?
Okay. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, then I'll talk to you, okay? I'll come back to you. See, wherever you're going to any public places, you go to any public place and you find so many dustbins like tin or plastic or some papers falling in here and there. What we should do? We should pick it up and put in the dustbin. And you know, we have separate dustbin for each and everything. For example, you can see first one, blue color. Blue color dustbin is for paper. So whatever, wherever we get a paper and we have to throw in a blue color dustbin. Then come green. So where we find any glass rolling here and there, we can just put it in the green color dustbin. You can see, right? And yellow color, we have to put only plastic in yellow color dustbin. And metals, all the metals, all kuti metals, this and that. Now you normally will get all this garbages and all that we have to separate and put it in metal box, garbage box, that is red color. So we have 4 colors to separate the dustbins accordingly, garbages accordingly. So it can be reused or recycled or can be done something. We won't mix it in soil. Right. So it's our duty, wherever we see any dust or any garbage, we have to put it in our dustbin. And it has to be started from your house. Okay, if your house is untidy, see, your mother is going to do so much of work. So you are going to help your mama to clean your house. If you see any dust or anything, you have to put in the dustbin. And you should keep your house clean as well as environment clean. Right? This paper bags also, while doing the paper bags, you will be messing up the room, cutting, wetting, pasting, everything. After you do the paper bag, all the waste thing you will put in the dustbin, right? You should help your mama also. That is of yesterday's. Paper bag day was yesterday we celebrated. You know what? Today we are going to celebrate. Today we are going to celebrate National French Fry Days. You know what is French fries? You all love French fries.
Thanks so much.
Hello?
Somebody calling you.
Yes, dear. Thank you. Okay, dear. So today we are celebrating French Fries Days. Yes, please mute yourself, dear. Yes. So all loves to eat French fries. So today, climate is also very good. You ask your mama to make French fries for you. So today we are celebrating. you also love, right? So today, 13th of July is known as National French Friday.
Day, ma'am.
Yes, happy French fries, dear. So you're going to eat French fries and have a click of it, right? And post in your groups. Right. Yes. And now just show me what you all have done. Show your paper bags. Nancy, ma'am, am I audible?
Didn't do paper bag, ma'am. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, dear, no problem. Go through the YouTube. You can find in YouTube. Yes, you have done. You have done the paper bag.
Ma'am, I can't do paper bag.
Wow. Send the pics. Wow, very beautiful.
I'm free paper bag, ma'am. I'm not.
Very beautiful. Okay, Raghavashini, if you're not done, no problem. Whoever done, please show it. Unmute yourself and show your paper bags. Okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow showing, ma'am.
Okay, dear, no issue.
Very nice, dear. Adrit, 90 done.
Wow, Shad, superb. Apna also very nice.
Ma'am, I have paper bag.
Dear. Very nice, dear. Chanvika, very nice.
Udisha, very nice.
Very nice, dear.
Yes.
Mitra Sai. Pretty.
Lakshmi, very nice. Wow.
Okay, ma'am.
So nicely done.
Ma'am, Lakshmanan.
Yes,
Lakshmanan.
dear.
But then, very good.
Okay.